we introduced the Career Xplora portal. Career Xplora provides you with online engagement with your campus career service. The portal offers you the following 4 tools: a resume builder to draft your CV and letter of motivation, a mock interview tool to practice your interview skills, an employer directory and job board to search for work opportunities, and lastly, an events calendar to keep you abreast of our career fairs and graduate recruitment activities. To access Career Xplora, navigate to the UWC website and click on the Students link. Click on the Career Service tab indicated with a white briefcase. You are now on our Career Service webpage. On the menu bar, click on the Service for Students item to view the career services available to you. Look for the Career Xplora logo on your right. Click on the logo and you will be directed to the student interface of UWC CareerXplora. Welcome to your online career service. We suggest that you bookmark this web address for future use. To access the system, you will need to sign in with your UWC student number and use your date of birth as your password. If you have difficulty logging in, reset your password with the Forgot My Password function. Enter only your student number and press the Go button. Then check your UWC email account for an email from careerxplora@uwc.ac.za. The following message will appear in the subject line: Career Xplora Password Reset Request. The email will have a Set Your Password hyperlink. Click on the Set Your Password hyperlink and you will be directed to the portal where you will be prompted to set a new password. Once you have saved your new password, you will have access to your Career Xplora homepage. The next video will assist you to complete your account. For assistance, visit the Office for Student Development on the first floor of the Student Center, past the cafeteria towards the lift.